What if I told you that 5 AI tools could replace your entire 9-to-5 job in 2026? It's not some distant, far-off future. It's happening right now, as we speak. The landscape of work is shifting beneath our feet, and the tools I'm about to show you are at the epicenter of this earthquake. If you want to understand how the workforce is being reshaped and how you can position yourself on the winning side of this change, stick around. We are diving deep into the 5 AI tools that have the power to automate, innovate, and generate income in ways we've never seen before. Are you ready to see the future? Let's get started. First up, let us talk about the one you've probably heard of but might not be using to its full potential, ChatGPT. This isn't just a simple chatbot for asking trivia questions. Think of it as a creative and intellectual powerhouse, a co-pilot for your brain. Freelance writers are using it to draft, edit, and polish high-quality articles, blog posts, and video scripts in a fraction of the time it used to take. We are talking about going from a blank page to a finished piece in minutes, not hours. This speed allows them to take on more clients and significantly increase their income. But it's not just for writers. Developers are using ChatGPT to accelerate their coding process. It can debug code, write functions, and even explain complex programming concepts, acting as an on-demand senior developer. Entrepreneurs are leveraging it to draft comprehensive business plans, create market analysis reports, and brainstorm marketing strategies, saving tens of thousands of dollars on expensive consultants. The monetization opportunities here are huge. People are building entire businesses on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr by offering super-fast content creation, coding assistance, and business plan development services, all powered by ChatGPT. They're not just working faster, they're delivering higher value and pocketing the difference. Next on our list is a tool that's completely revolutionizing the world of audio, ElevenLabs. This platform is a master of AI voice generation and voice cloning. Imagine being able to produce a professional, broadcast-quality voiceover for your videos, podcasts, or advertisements without ever touching a microphone or hiring a voice actor. That's what ElevenLabs does. Content creators are using it to add a polished, human-like narration to their work, elevating their production value instantly. You can choose from a vast library of voices, each with different styles, accents, and emotional tones. But here's where it gets truly mind-blowing, the voice cloning feature. You can record a short sample of your own voice, and the AI will create a perfect digital replica. From that point on, you can generate audio in your own voice simply by typing. Think about the possibilities. You can create hours of content without ever speaking a word, fixing mistakes, or updating scripts without re-recording. People are monetizing this by offering voiceover services for audiobooks, corporate training videos, and YouTube channels. They can deliver pristine audio in any style or language, offering a service that was once reserved for expensive recording studios, all from their laptop. Third on our list is Canva AI. Many of you already know and love Canva for its user-friendly design interface, but its new AI features have taken it to a whole new level. It's like having a senior graphic designer on your team, available 24/7. These new tools, often called Magic Studio, can generate stunning graphic designs, social media posts, presentations, and YouTube thumbnails automatically. All you need to do is provide a simple text prompt. For example, you could type "create an Instagram post for a coffee shop's fall special," and Canva's AI will bring your vision to life with multiple design options, complete with relevant imagery and text layouts. This empowers anyone, regardless of their design background, to create professional-grade visuals. It's democratizing design. And the business opportunities are massive. People are making serious money by creating and selling high-quality design templates on Etsy or their own websites. Others are launching social media management agencies, using Canva AI to produce a month's worth of content for multiple clients in a single day. You can even offer entire branding kits for new businesses, logos, color palettes, font pairings, all generated and refined with AI at a fraction of the cost of a traditional design agency. Coming in at number 4 is a tool that feels like pure magic, Pictory. This incredible AI turns long-form text content, like blog posts, articles, or video scripts, into engaging, professional-looking videos automatically. The process is astonishingly simple. You just paste your text, and Pictory's AI gets to work. It analyzes your content, selects relevant, high-quality stock footage from its massive library, adds animated captions for better engagement, and even syncs it all to background music. It pieces everything together into a cohesive, shareable video in just a few minutes. This is a complete game changer for YouTubers and content marketers. They can now repurpose their written content and dominate video platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels without spending countless hours on complex video editing software. Imagine turning a single blog post into 5 different short-form videos in under an hour. The business model here is straightforward and highly profitable. Offer rapid video creation services. Businesses and content creators are desperate for more video but lack the time and resources. You can step in and become their go-to video production solution, turning their scripts and articles into a steady stream of video content that drives traffic and engagement. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about Jasper AI. If ChatGPT is your all-around creative partner, think of Jasper as your specialist sales and marketing guru. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that's been specifically trained on high-converting copy from all over the internet. It understands what makes people click, read, and buy. It can write everything from persuasive Facebook ad copy and compelling email campaigns to SEO-optimized product descriptions and captivating website headlines. It knows the formulas, the frameworks, and the psychological triggers that drive action. Businesses are using Jasper to supercharge their marketing efforts. They're boosting their conversion rates and increasing sales with copy that speaks directly to their target audience's needs and desires. The results can be dramatic. People are building entire careers around this tool. They're offering AI-powered copywriting services to businesses of all sizes, helping them scale their marketing and drive revenue without hiring a huge in-house team. You can become a freelance marketing consultant, managing ad campaigns and email sequences for multiple clients, with Jasper as your secret weapon for crafting copy that consistently performs. So there you have it. ChatGPT for content and strategy, 11 Labs for professional audio, Canva AI for stunning visuals, Pictory for rapid video creation, and Jasper AI for high-converting marketing copy. These 5 tools aren't just gadgets. They represent a fundamental shift in how work gets done. They are automating tasks that used to take teams of people weeks to accomplish. The world of work is changing faster than ever, and those who adapt, who learn to leverage these tools, are the ones who will thrive in the new economy. This isn't about being replaced by AI. It's about partnering with AI to become more productive, more creative, and more valuable than ever before. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and continue to get insights into the future of work and AI, start exploring these tools today. See how they can fit into your workflow or how you can build a new income stream around them. The opportunities are right there for the taking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our world. See you in the next one.